Our client on this project is California State Parks. They own a dam in Malibu Canyon, where we are today, that obstructs a steelhead trout run from the ocean into the waters where they would normally spawn.
To restore that fishery, to restore that environmental situation, the state is designing a removal of Rindge Dam as part of that restoration.
The Army Corps of Engineers did a study that looked at what the feasibility of this removal project was. And based on that study, they evaluated there's about 750,000 cubic yards of sediment that's impounded behind the dam that would need to be removed as part of the project. That's where Geosyntec comes in. We're the geotechnical engineers. We're also involved in engineering geology for this project, and we're involved in dam safety related items for this project.
We're here today as part of the geotechnical investigations that are going on.
Some unique aspects of this design of this dam removal include the geology of the site here in Malibu Canyon. As part of our scope of work, our engineering geologists are evaluating those conditions and developing considerations related to the design of the removal.
Additionally, the sediments that are in place behind the dam, they're very young. They're very soft sediments. So that's part of what we're doing here today is gathering information about the properties of those sediments. We're sampling those sediments for laboratory testing, and that will help us understand the properties of those sediments from a geotechnical perspective, from a liquefaction perspective, from a seismic response perspective as well. That's an important part of this project.
It was an easy choice for our client and our partners to involve Geosyntec here. We have a unique mix of engineering geology, of geotechnical engineering capability, as well as dam safety expertise, in addition to our local experience. I grew up very close to here, and that was essential, frankly, in planning for a safe investigation.
In developing relationships with the local law enforcement, fire and rescue, and the state parks in executing this project.